Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Well, we are all fighting against the COVID-19 situation and our first priority is to boost our immunity, and we can do that easily by having some desi thing, consuming some desi thing. And today my recipe is such, that is masala chas or spiced buttermilk recipe. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now let's jump into the recipe and make spiced buttermilk. For that, here in a mixing jar I'm going to take 3/4 cup of dahi or yogurt, which is a good source of calcium and good bacteria that helps to improve our immune system as well as digestive system. Then goes handful of mint leaves, good source of minerals and vitamins, handful of coriander leaves and 1 green chili. Both of them are rich source of vitamin C and K. Half inch of ginger, which improve our immunity system and especially digestive system. A pinch of asafoetida or hing. It is also very good for our digestive system. Half teaspoon of black salt. I'm using black salt because it's low in sodium and helps to reduce blood sugar. Next, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, perfect source of vitamin C, helps to reduce cough and cold. Then goes half a cup of water. Then goes few ice cubes. It's optional, if you don't want to use it, don't use it. Next, in with the lid, and now blend them all together. You can have it just like this, but I'm going to make it just a little bit special. So as you can see, the masala chas is quite ready, but I'm going to give it a tarka, a smoky flavor. For that, here in a tarka pan I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let it get melted. When it melts down, I'm going to add some whole cumin seeds or jeera seed, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and keep the flame high because I need to really heat up the ghee. Next goes curry leaves. As soon as I put the curry leaves, it catches the fire and gives the smoky flavor. I have added some splash of water and it's done. But be careful with the fire while making this recipe because you can burn yourself. So use this another method, this tarka method. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of ghee. Keep the flame to the lowest in this case because I'm not going to smoke it this time. So 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed. Let it splatter. Then add curry leaves and mix it. That's it. So this is the tarka method and that was the smoked method. So now I'm going to add the smoked tarka into this spiced buttermilk. Mix it together properly so that all the smoky flavor infuses into that. Next, I'm going to serve it into an earthen glass and it's done. Our immunity boosting, cool, refreshing spiced buttermilk or masala chas is ready. Do make this recipe for your friends and family, and don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.